All right, so part two, I'm deciding to jump in on this trade to do a paper trade, even though it's late. QR code confirm. Didn't quite get the 5 minute LSMA to act right. Reason why we're doing paper, it doesn't quite meet all the requirements. Um, and it's past our time, like we're supposed to be been out here. We got in at 1865. 1865. 2052. I'm not gonna be able to stay and make this trade or watch this trade, but I just kind of want to put it on wax. Um, that we are getting the QR code confirmed. Downtrend on a 30-second LSMA. Not the greatest movement on the 5 minute relative volume. We are breaking the 50 at breaking the 50 on screen two. QQQ is starting to curl. Um, starting to curl. Now we're getting a new hour. Now it's curling inside here. XLI has always been plummeting. Um, LRCX definitely plummeting. So all systems are a go. I don't have any questions about this trade here. Just that it took forever to come about. I think we get a quick move, a quick dump, and like that. Getting a massive dump right now. I know I should have did like 10:05. I should have set the pretext for it. It's cool though. We got everything we needed. Let's see if we continue to plummet from here. Let's keep QQQ back inside on a new hour. That's good. Um, XLI has been dumping since the beginning of time. Um, LRCX finished red on that last hourly candle. Long look at the top underneath the VWAP, it's curling in. I think we got what we need. I think we got everything we needed. It's got to get down to about 296, about $7. Um, so we'll see. Didn't feel as comfortable taking it on the real account, even though I can see the setup perfect. There are some things that kind of worried me a little bit. The fact that it's the fact that it's after 9:45, after
USA Safe
10.
Pilot rewards safe drivers with up to
Sorry, y'all
30%
getting this
off your
ad
auto
right now.
insurance premium at renewal.
All right. So the fact that, it's late, I kind of just jumped in this. I left, came back in the house, jumped in this trade. Still kind of watching it, but it's one of those fear things. It feels like fear of missing out. It feels like FOMO. So had this trade kind of revealed itself earlier, would have been great. But as of right now, we just sit and wait. So still potentially has a lot of room for regression or choppiness. But I like the way everything else is curling in. The QQQ curling inside here. The first 10 minutes or so may just be a little bit of um, volatility left over from the bull, but you kind of hope they don't take you out or snatch you out. LRCX having that same kind of moment. I think it's all volatility, but I think we get what we need. Let me see, what are we down right now? This little candle here is kind of, for sure, got us blown out the way. Doesn't say the percentage, but we're close to being out. I'm not 70 cents. I wouldn't say we're close, but we got a ways to go for sure. We're down 8%. That's very close. Gotta get to about 16.30. We're at 17.12. We're at 17. About 30 cents from being taken out. Volatility could mean something here. I always do this moment after the fact. What don't I like about this trade? The 5-minute LSMA not being above. Smart decision was not jumping in the trade. I'll give myself kudos for that. The bad decision was coming back to trade, period. So, how much stock do you hold in your discipline above all that? There's a lot to like about this trade, but there's a lot to like about this trade. Yeah. Just need that volatility to go away, really. It's that 5-minute LSMA. Gotta wait on that to explode. We're in consolidation mode right now. We definitely have our lower high moment. You got your high here, your lower high here. So you're definitely at a higher low type moment. Just gotta give it time to break, I suppose. Below the 50 on screen on screen 2, forgive me. So that's a strong sign for me. About 9 minutes on this candle here. Curious to see if this is just a pullback if this is that fake out moment for LRCX. I thought that we saw that 8:45. That was an hour and forever ago. But we'll see how this next 9 minutes shape up, if this is just a fake out moment. And this is the moment that we should have waited on to get in on this candle here. I think we did good. We did solid. Probably could have waited a little bit longer. But I think it's the start of a bearish run. We'll see. See if the bulls pop in at any moment. I don't see it happening, if you want my honest opinion. See QQQ curling in. XLI still diving for the fences. LRCX curling in as well, but we've got to get rid of that volatility at the top. So I think give it another 10 minutes and it's kind of crashed to the bottom for sure. kind of waiting it out. Another thing that worries me about this fake out strategy. There's that 5 minute LSMA on a relative volume doesn't always come. You don't get the strongest signal on that. Like the volatility and volume has pretty much died off the first hour, and you got to kind of rely on that screen too, that volatility, that fake out moment, which I think that's happening right now. Volatility is at 1.1. If it falls under a 1, I think we have a serious crash below. But just kind of waiting. Kind of waiting on that moment for the bears to kick in. Let's see where the trade is, period. Still down about 9%. We're close. Yeah, this is still looking treacherous. Getting some strong volatility for the bulls right now. Choppiness still. I think we're still in some choppiness. Yeah, I think we may lose for sure. 1680, 1630. We're very close to being taken out if this doesn't take off and run. Down about 11%-ish. Yeah, we're close. Close to getting torn up here. Bulls have any kind of momentum and we're done. That's why we wait. Yeah. Pull the trigger too early. Well, I wouldn't say that. I would not say we pulled the trigger too early. I would say, what don't I like about this trade right now? It's my heart-to-heart moment. QQQ curling in. Still above the VWAP. I don't like that. I still love XLI. LRCX still like a lot about those things. Still above the VWAP there. We're just having a consolidation moment right now. So until we have that crash moment below the 50, I think right now we're having that pump up fake out moment right now. And maybe a bit too early, I would say. A bit too early. We didn't. So it's probably best, and this is just me, like maybe my second time trying the strategy. Maybe just it's better to kind of wait on that fake out moment in the moment and not go off the pretext. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not out of the woods yet, but everything's turning. I think we got the higher confirmation. QQQ, yep, it's coming. I think it's just a little staggering. It's a bit zealous, a bit early. I think it's coming. We're getting that crash we need. There we go. I think the market's starting to wake up a little bit. That was close. That was very close. Just trying to get a little something here. Everybody participating. QQ is kind of waking up a little bit. XLI is still dumping. I love it. I love XLI right now. It has not wavered. It's been bearish all day. LRCX is coming to the party. Right at that moving average. We just need the bulls to get out of the way. Can we get the dump off we're waiting on? Let's look at the down 4%. So the option prices tend to agree with us right now. Having some retracement on those option prices. Let's go get this sell off, man. What we waiting on? It's looking okay. We're not out of the woods. We just need that dump off. QR code is close. Only halfway there. We're getting a dump off. We're getting a dump off we need here. I think after 10:15, we good. Let it ride after that. I'm looking at the bigger market right now, but PQQ falling below the VWAP, XLI, nothing to question about that. LRCX falling below the VWAP, below the moving average as well. So I think we're in a really good spot. QR code red. It's really all I have to go off of right now. A little bit of a pullback. We had a little bit of a pullback situation right there, but we're good. A little scary moment. I think with it being 10:15, I think we're having a serious dump off moment right now, or potentially a strong dump off moment. But everything is curled back inside. QQQ, XLI still plummeting. It broke below the 50. It broke a long time ago. And yeah, I think we're good. We just need the bulls to just die off. I'll analyze this strategy a lot more. It seems like a little bit harder of a directional trade type thing, but maybe that's just me being a little more nervous. We'll see. There's a lot to try to analyze about this trade for sure. We're down 4%, so trade's gotten better. Had a bit of a pullback moment. Looking at the QR code, the first two stochastics kind of just had a little pullback moment, kind of closed in a little bit. I think we get some strength from the bears to get to 297. I think it's going to take a second, but I think they're about to break. Getting a rejection at their moving average, which is what we wanted. Down 3%. Just wait it out. It's got some room. It has room. On screen 2 at least is what I'm looking at. It's got room. Go ahead and crash. Crash out. There we go. Just need about a strong $6 move here. I think we get it. We're at break even. Trade looking good. When do we get in this trade? right at 10 o'clock. I said I was gonna set it at like 10:05 if you saw part one. I said I was gonna set it at 10:05. I would have been in right here with a little bit of a pullback, maybe. Might have snatched me out if I not been watching it. But yeah. We got some. This is a good solid move right here. First two stochastics are underneath the 50, which solidifies pullback behavior. I think we're good. I think we're good. I gotta analyze that screen to set up a little bit more. We're still at break even, a little bit more on the positive side at least. Just taking its time a little bit. I want to get out of this trade before I get called to my next call, but market moves when it want to move. Everybody else kind of trailing in too, but we're just gonna keep an eye on QQQ. Catching a little bit of support here, seems like XLI is, well, QQQ seems like it's catching a little bit of support. XLI is actually seems like it's trying to reach a bottom, maybe. We'll see how it continues to move. I'm actually starting to see a little bit of opening up here for the bears. A little bit of an increase slowly. Still, volume still underneath the 5-minute relative volume, so it's all just, just downhill from here. A little bit of a bearish spike coming on the 30-second. Happened at 9, yeah. A little bit of a bearish spike right there. That's a good sign on this candle to end this candle up. We still got room. We just need a strong 5 to 10 minute push. Definitely got room. LRCX is broken. Definitely back inside here with the, let's see, LX side. Not much movement. Everybody's curled in. That's the only thing I'm concerned about right now. Yeah, we're good. Got a little bit of a bearish increase on the 5 minutes, still below the LSMA on the 5-minute relative volume. So, I don't know. We just gotta let the trade take care of itself. GQ is definitely catching some support on that VWAP. LRCX kind of plummeting a little bit here. Interesting. Yeah, the bigger two are kind of catching a little wave here of some bullish behavior. Maybe just a retest. Maybe. We'll see. How's the trade looking overall? Negative 2%. Oh, wow. Seven, 2, 6, Let's see how it finishes. We got about 7 seconds. See if it finishes red. It's like looking very green right now. It's all under the 5 minute relative volume. It did finish green, but okay. Bulls might have some pushback on this next candle. Right at break even. Let's see. Let's see if I'm missing anything on this trade at all. Odds could turn. Everything's looking red. It's just not ready to break yet. QQ turning red. XLI. All right, got a retest of the moving average here. That could be a good sign for us underneath. Oh, we're getting a strong push right now by the bears. Go ahead and finish this out here. QR code still looking decent. Come on with it. It's just slow motion. We're in a really good spot. LRCX is moving the fastest. XLI is moving directionally in the same way too. It's kind of broken. And QQQ has been staggering us. I don't know what's holding it today. It is earning week for the tech companies, so that for what that is. But QQQ is the last piece of a domino, even though it's curled in. And it's the last domino to kind of hold us right here. And LRCX is not a tech company. It is a part of the NASDAQ. What company is that? I don't have time to research, but it is more of a producer manufacturing company, which means it could be a semiconductor. All right, I'm intrigued. Let me see what kind of company it is. I'm curious. Lam Research Corporation. What kind of company are you? Engages in the design, manufacture, marketing, refurbishment, and provision of semiconductor processing equipment used in the fabrication of integrated circuits. Yep, I guessed it correctly. It's a semiconductor. So kind of tied into the technology, but not really. It makes chips. Long story short, I kind of guessed that without even knowing. Kudos to me. Bears acting really great right now. I just kind of want to finish this trade out before I get sent on this call. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Definitely taking this time. QQQ is breaking. That's good. We're halfway through the hour, so more and more things are kind of breaking in. I think we're in a good shape here. We break 300. I won't question this trade too much. It's just taking forever. You're just kind of looking for that massive dump. We're still kind of consolidating too. So we're getting a serious sell-off here. Just waiting on it. Just waiting on the bears to like tap in and give up here. Taking their time. About 5 seconds. Bulls creeping. I mean, bears creeping in a little more. Just a slow creep. Going to some kind of consolidation here. We're getting there, slowly but surely. Right, is that dump off? QQQ underneath the VWAP a little bit. XLI dumping off. LRCX looks great for a dump off here. We're moving in the right direction. We're moving down. There we go. There it is. What took you so long? We made money today. We made money today. 200. I'll take it. I will take it. Took its time, but I'll take it. Um, all right. I'll let y'all have it. Y'all be good, man. We'll take it. We will definitely take it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Another great trading day. We're having a great trading month. Um, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. Y'all be easy.